Welcome back to my channel. Okay, first of all, wala talaga akong balak mag-video ngayon kasi wala akong nakaplan na content, as in wala. Pero, hindi kasi ako mapakali simula kagabi kasi kagabi, nanood ako ng sine mag-isa. Ang pinanood ko is Anyone But You and hindi ako mapakali. Yung unwritten na kanta is, it's been stuck inside my head. Simula nung narinig ko to sa ako, nandito na naman siya sa utak ko. It's playing over and over again. So, naisipan ko mag-video ngayon. If napanood niyo yung Anyone But You and you loved it like I did, I have book recs na similar sa Anyone But You. Simula na napanood ko yung movie na yun, nakatapos ako ng 2 libro na similar dito sa movie na to. So, for today's video, I'm going to be recommending you books related sa Anyone But You, whether fake dating, marriage trope, or anything similar na napanood nyo dun sa movie na yan. Pero kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung movie na yan, highly recommend guys, go. Panoorin nyo na kasi if you're a book girly like me, ma-appreciate mo tong movie na to. So, let's start this video. So, nung napanood ko kasi yung Anyone But You, ang unang binasa ko na parang related siya dito sa movie na to is The Worst Best Man by Lucy Score. And I went into this book blind and nagulat ako na parang similar sila at the start. Kasi dito, yung dalawang main characters, they meet each other sa wedding ng best friends nila. Bago sila lumipad sa ibang bansa para magpakasal yung dalawang best friend nila is nagkita muna sila, nagkaroon muna sila ng get together, ganyan. And may nasabi yung guy tungkol dun sa girl and hindi natuwa si girl. Like, kahit ako di ako matutuwa kasi sinabi niya yun. Doon nag-start yung book, para siyang enemies to lovers, katulad nung kay Sydney pati kay Glenn Powell dun sa Anyone But You. And yung banter, guys, kuhang-kuha niya si B dun sa movie and I loved it. Kaso nga lang, naging downer lang tong book sa akin nung wala pa tayo sa 1/4 na book and biglang may nangyari na hindi ko nagustuhan. Pero, I still recommend this kung gusto niyo magbasa ng related or makakuha kayo ng similar vibes sa Anyone But You. Pero yung girl character dito, I really like her. And yung guy dito sa book is pa-mysterious type siya. Pero okay naman siya. Yung character development niya all throughout the book is okay. And yung romance dito, highly recommend. Next is Fake Dating Adrian Hunter by Skyla Summers. Etong book na to is kakatapos ko lang siya kagabi. And kagabi ko din siya sinimulan. Pero very short read lang talaga siya, guys. Kasi ito is childhood best friends to enemies. To friends, to fake dating, to lovers. Okay. Childhood best friends silang dalawa. Pero may nangyari nung high school kaya hindi na sila nagkaroon ng contact with each other. And then, mag-meet ulit sila dahil ikakasal yung sister nung girl and yung sister nung guy. Meet sila and yung ex nilang dalawa is pupunta dun sa wedding. Kaya napag-isipan ng dalawa na mag-fake dating. Di ba parang related talaga siya sa Anyone But You? Kasi kung ang kuha niya yung dalawang girls na ikakasal, yung dalawang ex nila na present dun sa kasal, and fake dating. Yung banter, it could use some work. Super nag-enjoy ako dito sa book na to. Super fast read lang talaga siya. And this is actually the first book that I read by this author. Kaya super surprising. Itong dalawa na i-recommend ko sa inyo is nabasa ko na dati pa. Okay, so hindi ko sure kung tama yung pag-recall ko dito sa book na to. Pero yung next is The Unhoneymooners. Parang medyo related lang siya, pero yung plot niya is hindi siya similar. Kasi yung dalawang main characters dito is they go on a honeymoon na dapat parang friend or sister or relative ata nila dapat pupunta. Pero silang dalawa yung pumunta dun sa honeymoon. Okay, so ganun yung book niya. Hindi ko lang siya gaano naalala ko, pero I remember loving this book. Maganda tong book na to kasi medyo related siya sa Anyone But You. So if you're looking for parang similar na vibe pero different plot, sign ito. Next is, of course, The Spanish Love Deception. I know this went viral like sa TikTok kasabay ng Love Hypothesis. I think 2022 ata yun, 2021. Pero ganun. If nabasa nyo na tong book, then you would know na workplace romance to. Forced proximity, pero enemies to lovers. Yung girl is ayaw niya doon sa guy. Pero, parang nagpropose ata yung guy ng fake dating kaya sinama nung girl si Aaron Blackford dun sa kasal and dun nag-start nag-start yung fake dating nila. Doon mo makikita na parang super perfect ni Aaron Blackford para dun sa girl. Hindi siya insta-lovey. Siya, parang may pagka-slow burn siya. Kaya I really like it. Okay, one of my 5-star reads years ago pa. Etong last book na i-recommend ko sa inyo is actually a book na hindi ko pa nababasa, which is Love on Deck by Casey Stockton. This is actually the first book na babasahin ko by this author, and I'm so excited kasi I think ito na yung chance ko para maka-discover ulit ng panibagong author na may potential na maging one of my author-read authors. Fake dating to, guys, pero yung dalawang main characters, they met years ago pa. They went on a blind date pero it did not end well. Tapos in the present retelling is parang magkikita ulit silang dalawa and parang nagkasundo sila na parang magiging okay yung pakikitungo nila sa isa't isa para sa sake dun sa ikakasal, which is hindi ko pa alam kung sino ikakasal. Pero yon, yung settings nito is nasa cruise and something happens kaya nagpropose, hindi ko alam kung sino nagpropose na mag-fake dating sila all throughout the cruise. So ganun yung plot ng story. Very fun siya pakinggan kasi 'di ba dun sa Anyone But You, nag-meet naman si Sydney pati si Glenn Powell way back pa bago sila mag-meet ulit dun sa kasal ng sister ni Sydney and dun sa friend ni Glenn. Like, nag-meet na sila years pa. Pero it did not end well. So, parang ganun din naman nagsimula yung Anyone But You. So, recommend ko tong book na to kahit hindi ko pa alam kung magugustuhan ko siya. Pero I think magugustuhan ko siya kasi taas ng rating niya dito sa Amazon. That is my 5-book recommendation if hindi kayo makamove on sa Anyone But You. And I'm not sure kung paano ko makikure tong LSS ko dito sa kantang to. LSS talaga ako. Narinig ko talaga siya kahit anong gawin ko. So, that's all for today's video. Like, very quick lang tong video na to kasi nga hindi ako mapakali. Hindi ako mapakali hanggat hindi ko na-recommend yung mga books na naiisip ko dito sa Anyone But You. Kasi itong movie na yan, like, yan yung first movie na napanood ko na rom-com na pinalabas in the present day. Kasi usually, ang mga nire-replay kong movies na rom-com is yung way back pa. So, nakakatawa na parang bumabalik yung rom-com era. So, if you're a book girly like me, magagets mo yung feeling na yun. Parang nagkaroon ng live action yung books na nabasa mo na somewhere, similar plot somewhere, and napanood mo sa sinehan. Pero yun, that's all for today's video. I hope napanood nyo na yung Anyone But You, pero pag hindi pa, panoorin nyo na yan. I hope you give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time on my next bookish content. Bye!
Paris, London, maybe even LA.